A year ago, I uploaded a video of myself flying FPV in a simulator without a real radio. At the time, I was only 15 years old and flying using just my thumbs on a phone. I didn't have a radio, I didn't have goggles, and I didn't have a drone, but I kept flying anyway.
My name is Emmanuel Mchele. I'm 16 years old and I'm an FPV Simulator Pilot from Zambia. For as long as I can remember, I've been fascinated by FPV Freestyle. But the problem is that FPV gear is really expensive gear, and sometimes it takes months just to save up for even a small part. Because of that, for a long time, all I had was my phone and FPV simulators. Even without real equipment, I spent countless hours practicing, crashing, learning new tricks, and trying to improve every day. A while ago, I uploaded a video of myself flying FPV on my phone using touchscreen controls. That's when something unexpected happened. A creator from Canada named Matthew from the YouTube channel Toronto FPV saw my video. The crazy thing is that I was a complete stranger to him. He didn't know me personally, he didn't tell me anything, but for some reason he believed in me. Over time, we talked about FPV and he eventually decided to help me start my FPV journey by sending me some of his FPV gear all the way from Canada to Zambia. The package was sent a month ago with no tracking number. Every day, I kept wondering if it would actually arrive. Weeks went by and sometimes I thought that it might have gotten lost. But today, on May 30th, it's finally here. And honestly, I still can't believe it. Before we open it, I just want to apologize for not posting much on YouTube. A while ago, my phone got stolen and I lost access to almost everything. That made it really difficult for me to create content. I've still been posting clips on Instagram whenever I can, but hopefully this is the start of a new chapter. And today, for the first time, I'm recording a face-to-camera video to share this moment with you guys. So let's finally open this package. First up, we have the Beta FPV Light Radio 2. After flying with touchscreen controls for so long, finally holding a radio feels unreal. Next are the Sky Zone goggles. These are my first FPV goggles and honestly, I still can't believe it. We also have FPV antennas that will go with the goggles. Next is an analog camera This looks cool, man. For my future drone build, we also have props and some really cool printed 3D parts. This is amazing. These are the parts I'm talking about for the drone. And over here we have a soldering iron with some soldering equipment. And finally, this is the carbon fiber frame. What's really cool is that this was actually designed by Matthew himself. To go from being a complete stranger watching FPV videos on my phone to holding the frame designed by the very person who believed in me, that's pretty special. The frame looks incredibly clean, strong, and I can't wait to build a drone with it someday. Matthew, if you're watching this, thank you. Not just for the FPV gear, but for believing in me even when you didn't know me. You saw a kid from Zambia flying on a phone and decided to give him a chance. I'll never forget that. I truly appreciate everything you've done for me, and I'll do my best to make the most of this opportunity. This gear isn't just equipment to me, it's the beginning of a journey I've dreamed about for a long time. And to everyone watching, thank you for being part of this moment. This is just the beginning. I'll keep practicing, improving, building, and sharing my FPV journey with all of you. Thank you for watching.